In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you customize your iPhone home screen. Let's get started. Press anywhere on the home screen. Then click on this edit icon given at the top left. Now click on the option Add Widget. Browse through the available widgets or use the search bar to find one you want, such as weather, calendar, reminders, or clock. Once you have selected the app, choose your preferred widget size and tap Add Widget. Drag the widget to any position on your home screen. If you have multiple widgets of the same size, you can drag one on the top of another to create a smart stack, allowing you to swipe through several widgets while using the space of just one. Now click on the option Customize. Here you're gonna find different style option. You can set it to default, dark, clear. If you want colorful app icons, you can select tinted, and you can use the slider to change the color of it. Next, if you want to change wallpaper, click on Edit Wallpaper. Now from here you are able to use colors, likewise photos from your gallery or different wallpaper styles. Just choose one and click on Done. Lastly, click on the option Edit Pages. From here you are able to remove the home screen page. All you have to do is click on the one that you want to remove. Click on Remove and you'll be good to go. So this way you can easily customize your iPhone home screen. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.